And now he's singing. Yes.
Step back. How much you had to drink tonight?
Not enough.
This Florida man told police officers that he didn't have enough to drink April 22nd, 2024, but they begged to differ when he parked his impressive lifted truck in the exit lane, even though he claims he was on the berm. He refused to provide a breathalyzer test or take a field sobriety test, so he was arrested for DUI.
60620. Go ahead and start main 55. I got a white man driver passed out the wheel. He was just passed out. I'll advise our medics. Yo! Hey, wake up! It's in park. Yep.
Hey! Open the door!
Open the door!
Sheriff's office, open the door!
And now he's singing. Yes.
Step out here, bro. Got your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir. Goodness gracious.
How much you had to drink tonight?
Not enough.
I'm gonna disagree with that. You live on Spring Lake
No,
Drive?
that's it.
I'm asking you to do field sobriety exercises. You willing to do those?
No, sir.
No? If you refuse to do field sobriety exercises, I can make my decision based on what I've already observed.
100%.
So you don't want to do the field sobriety exercises?
No, sir.
Alright, that refusal can't be used against your court.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you don't want to do them.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I'm not trying to do anything against anybody else. I'm sorry.
I mean, that's fine, but you passed out in the middle of the road.
How?
You're in the road. This is a road.
This is a median.
No, this is a turn lane for the road.
Okay. Understood.
And you're passed out.
Understood.
Alright, so you don't want to do the field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercise.
Yes, sir.
Alright, don't go around the camp like that. You'll be placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Go ahead and watch out, sir.
Keys
It's in my pocket. Alright, that's fine. You want an MCJ? Nothing on you that's gonna poke me or anything like that?
No, sir.
Someone's expectation. You know how much money you got there?
No, I do not.
Alright, I'm gonna count it for you real quick.
Oh, brother.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 83, 30. Does that sound right?
No, sir.
How much do you think it should be?
14.
Let's do this again.
Which,
Four.
sir?
Yeah, I mean, there's a 10 and a couple ones there. So I'll get this the main one. 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 1,000,
Yes, sir.
1,100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,300. 10, 11, 12.
Towels from like a hotel or something.
Is that truck registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Was that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Have you had to drink? Not enough.
You ain't got nothing hidden anywhere on?
You know about these compartments.
Right over here to the back seat of that.
Bins lift out from inside.
Got it? Get help you. And you can sit sideways if you need to. I know it ain't comfortable.
I appreciate it.
Alright.
I thought it would be 31 almost.
No, that guy is.
Yep.
Miscellaneous clothes items and stuff like that.
My bad, you didn't want that, did you?
Nah. Hey, there's a reason I called you up here.
It looks similar. Hey, can you reiterate to the tow company that this is a Dodge 3500 dually that's slightly lifted? Because last time they brought a truck that was
He was like, these 4-drive trucks can't get up the ramp.
the keys on my hood.
Keys on the hood? On your hood?
On my hood.
Does he want his phones at all?
Yeah, with it.
I walk to the other side and I see him wide as awake, just fucking.
Well, he fucking beating on it. He opens his eyes and he starts fucking rapping.
I know. That's what I saw.
My boy's
Grab that money there too.
boy's living his best life.
Was that a tow sheet? I think so. Oh Lord. Oh,
Information. Sumter County.
No receipts or anything like that.
I didn't see any receipts.
How much you had to drink? Not enough.
All right, buddy.
I disagree
That's
with you.
wild.
Is he gonna blow, you think?
No.
If he does, I'd be shocked.
I've seen stranger things.
I mean, yeah, I have had several.
Use up that seats.
Yeah, you know. How is that in the road? It's all in the road. Not one section of it's in the median.
I'm surprised it was in park.
Watch him pull out.
No, I just drove down the road and we stopped the truck a few months, or like a month ago.
He called me because he's like, I think that truck that we stopped that had all that cocaine in it is sitting in the median. when you were off, we stopped one for DUI, and then she ended up having a bag of cocaine. That she's like, as soon as I arrested her for DUI, she's like, my bag in the back's not mine.
Nice.
What bag?
And then she pulls cocaine out of her bra.
Nice.
I made sure it was in park and I started smacking on the window.
I tell you, usually I would pull in front of it and block it, but I'm not going up against that truck.
Yeah, no.
Not.
That's what I was gonna say.
If it's in drive, that's when you call the fire truck and you have them put their engine in front of it.
I was gonna call and suggest that, and I was like, that's a big old truck.
You want to is.
God, no.
That's a nice ass truck.
No, 100%.
That other one was nicer, I think.
I know. I keep seeing them.
The
The
last
other one,
one.
it was a dark gray like that, and it was lifted like that. It's nice. Kind of makes me want to get a Cummins.
Well,
I
in
still want to pay
Chautauqua,
this price.
yeah, in Chautauqua he had a.
nice truck.
No, he had a Cummins. He
Look.
had
You
a.
went to a Chevy now, right?
Yeah, he has a Chevy now. He had a. I think it was a 2500 Cummins.
Do you mind letting Sergeant Sheely know I'm in here?
Sergeant Sheely?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to call him. He's sleeping right now.
I thought he was on night shift.
He might be. He's on.
What's your relationship
Is
with
he?
He's very close.
Is he a SRO? Isn't he SRO or is he B company?
No, he's B company.
Yeah.
Night shift.
She's an extremely close
All right.
friend.
Well, he works the other shift, so he's not
And
working tonight.
Burleson, Sergeant Burleson. Yeah,
Okay.
both very close friends.
All right. Well, he works the other shift, so he's not working tonight.
I was just
So.
was
All
at
right.
his wedding.
All right.
Get from the one Burleson coming out.
Look, I'll text Sheely. What's his name?
617 units, 4th and 6.
David. I want to say Boose. David Boose.
I'll text him.
Was he in SRO?
Sheely, no. Sheely's on the SWAT team with me. Burleson's an SRO now.
Was he previously SRO?
Burleson just came out the road like a year ago.
That's probably not what I'm thinking of.
Buff, redhead.
Who is an SRO?
Where's my fucking phone? Burleson's the SRO. I'm telling you.
He listens though.
What is it?
He said Seaton's still on that other stop taking forever. I said, I'm not going to talk shit because he listened to me. He went 10:15 and towed the car, so.
You said David Boose.
Yeah, B-O-O-S-E. Tell him Young got him to DUI.
Hey, you couldn't do another one. I got you.
It's funny because the car we were watching pulled out, and we went after it, and as soon as we pulled out,
If not, I ain't worried about it.
Thursday, 4:30 from 4th and 6.
Hey, if you could do me a huge fucking favor. Hey, do you mind letting Sergeant Sheely know I'm in here?
Sergeant Sheely?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to call him. He's sleeping right now.
I thought he was on night shift.
He might be. He's on.
What's your relationship
Is
with Sheely?
He's very close.
Is he a SRO? Isn't he SRO or is he B company?
No, he's B company.
She's an extremely close
Yeah,
friend.
well, he works the other shift, so he's not.
And
working
Burleson, Sergeant Burleson. Yeah, both very close friends.
tonight. All right, well, he works the other shift, so he's not working tonight.
I was at his wedding.
All right.
Sheely's good people.
I'm apparently thinking of someone else.
Jared Sheely?
Yeah, no, that's what he was saying. He knows him, but I know the name, but I can't put a face to it. What's a good phone number for you?
Him and Burleson are.
Yeah, he said that Burleson is SRO. He's a school person. So he is.
Yes, sir.
There in 66, 2010, 4th and 6.
I apologize for making this for y'all tonight. Sir, if I can ask, what's the charge on this?
Driving under the influence. Yes, ma'am. No one can. Everything's good with your license?
Yes, sir. Officer, what's your name?
Young.
Listen, I tell you what, man. I'm not denying. I'm not looking out for myself. I'm looking for hardships in the front. If there's any way you can get a hold of Sergeant Shealy.
Even if I get a hold of him, it does not change anything.
I mean, it changes a little bit.
It does not.
Is it to where you could give me a ride home?
Nope, that is not, absolutely will never happen.
That's never a thing?
If you were Sergeant Shealy and I pulled him over, or he was passed out in the road drunk, he would be going to jail. I don't care who you are, who you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not trying to say I know people.
If you
No, by any means. I'm just trying to fucking lessen the wake. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but when you're, like I said, you're passed out in the middle of the road, that you don't get a pass. You chose to.
I'm not trying. At any point am I looking for a pass here?
Kind of is. You just
No, I'm not. No. I guess at the end of the day, how do we keep this off mugshots?
Mugshot is not ran by us. It has nothing to do with the sheriff's office. So I don't know what to tell you. We have no control over mugshots. I don't have an answer on how you can keep it off of there.
Sheriff Young, I apologize for giving you guys a hard time tonight. I appreciate you. 100%. Not my intentions. Officer,
Yep.
Is there any way you guys could, like, not impound the truck?
It's towed. It'll be at CNN towed.
Yes, sir. No one could have went and picked it up. Wasn't an option ever.
Nope. You can come out, man. I'm never done. Tomorrow I'll be done. Good.
Yes, sir.
I could get a hold of him, but it's not going to change anything. And